Hey, I'm working on 2013 F150 with transfer case front output shaft going to the front differential. Pinion seal is leaking, or the seal is leaking, and yeah, don't kid yourself. You have to take the transfer case out, apart, and then at that point you might as well replace all the seals, inputs and outputs, because you're gonna have to do this again. But yeah, everything has to come apart, split, cleaned up, new seals installed, and then assembled back together and put back in a truck. So yeah, front leaking front shaft seal means disassembling the transfer case. Planetary, you're gonna want to get a new bearing, or decide how many bearings you want to do once it's apart, and you might want to do a transmission output seal as well. But yeah, this little needle bearing is banded by, has a little band that holds them together, which sits on this shaft here. So it keeps it together for assembly. So you want to make sure if that band is broken, you get a new one. But yeah, just wanted to verify that front axle shaft seal means transfer case being ripped apart. Have fun. Thank you. Planetaries. New seal on the back side to the transmission. So start the assembly. So yeah, we installed the shaft into the housing that goes to the transmission. That way we can add all the pieces inside and then put the cover on and then put the transfer case in. If you think you can just pull one side off in order to replace the seal for the shaft, you're gonna find out that all the guts kind of move out of its location and you're not going to be able to assemble it on a truck. It has to be off the truck. So really, it's not a terrible project. Just reseal the whole T-case and put it back on and you should be good. So anyhow, it looks something like this once it's plugged in. It's pretty easy. You just got to simultaneously put this shaft, align all these, the rod here, little actuator, lifts on the bearing down. Once you get them all aligned, you just got to lift this up a little bit, pull it up so you can spline the shaft. All new seals, and just put the new seal in the back here. Don't forget to put this rubber on the shaft. It slings the oil away from going towards the seal. But yeah, just about to glue her back together. Okay, now that everything is ready, I'm gonna put the top lid on the T-case. Got some seal in there. So this would be your 4x4 actuator. So that has to go in there, and then the fork shaft will go in there. Sometimes not the easiest, but we'll try and put it on slowly. There we go, we got it together. You know, unfortunately I can't work and record, but yeah, when you go to put your cover on, this will be for your shifter. Just make sure it lines, and then your speedo here, your magneto has to, these little studs have to align there. So if you push it down and it's not quite lining up, just grab your shaft here and spin it. That will turn these, and then they will align and drop down. So yeah, have fun with that. This wasn't exactly step-by-step video, but this is just to give you an idea with a bit of a confidence. Really, it's not super complicated, but important thing is you have to pull the transfer case out to reseal. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day. Yep. Alright, we got our T-case together. Fresh shaft. Everything spins freely. Let's put her back in.